Hello, Namaste, welcome back to my channel Tips Home Life. Hope you all are doing well. Today recipe is all about sweet and sour frozen grapes, perfect for dessert anytime. So let's start. Wash your grapes, slightly dry them. Now into this add lemon juice, sugar and salt. Coat it well and now freeze it for about 4 hours to overnight and enjoy. You can make this using black grapes also. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more recipes. See you soon. Till then, take care. Bye. Annyeong.